Coming up this week on the Adam Christman Show, oh my sweetness, you guys. Come hang out with me at Sweetly Chic and meet the talented Kyrie Devon Kane, owner and founder of Sweetly Chic Confectionery and Event Design, a specialty gourmet dessert company located at the Freehold Mall in Freehold, New Jersey. Kyrie developed her love for baking early in life and transformed her hobby into a profitable and delicious passion. Kyrie makes anything ranging from specialty dessert tables to, oh, look at that salted caramel hot chocolate, signature shakes, wedding cakes, and her can't be imitated or duplicated cupcakes. Yes to all of those, please. We'll even talk about how she made her dream come into reality. And guess what? Look, I even hired her for her own wedding, and she made our signature cupcakes. I love her treats so much that I helped Kyrie make a commercial for her own cafe. So join me this Friday, 12 p.m. live with a special guest co-host right here on RVN TV. See you then.